It says Commerce with a little Miss Pac-Man on the back of it. Goat. See what it says down here. The Herd. The Herd, sponsored by Mid-City Drill. Art by Lydia Sally. That's a sheep, ain't it? I said goat. That's a sheep. I'm assuming. No, that is a goat, I think. Yep. By looking at its head, it looks more like a goat than it does a sheep. Main Street Pizza is right over there on the other side of these trees. That's where them people got that pizza. That's the Tap House bar restaurant. That building right here off of Main Street, right next to Kingsport Centennial Park. There's our car, the Chevy Impala. Train on the tracks. I just got a little short train video. And behind me is the Kings. Of course, I'm standing in the Kingsport Centennial Park. Right. I'm using my Canon XA50. Alright, I'm going to stop this footage and I might try to get some more footage throughout Kingsport. Using my Canon XA50 4K 30. Across the street is a social club where you can book it for whatever you need. If you're on a job, banquets, whatever. Social club. I'm having a hard time operating this camera. I'm using my right hand. I can bend, using my hand, but I cannot bend my arm. And this thing is a big camera. There comes people with pizza. So, where did they get the pizza? They got the pizza right here. Main Street Pizza. Which is right there. That's the Main Street Pizza. Alright, my friends. I will try to do some more footage. I hope you enjoyed it. Have enjoyed this little bit. It's hard to hold this heavy Canon XA50 with your right arm. So I can't bend it. I can raise my shoulder, but I cannot bend my arm. I have to keep it at 50-degree angle all the time because I tore my bicep tendon. I will check back later, Gators. Hope you've enjoyed it. I will try to add some more footage to it right here in lovely Kingsport. Looks like I might have got a little water on my lens, can't tell. Alright, later, Gators. I'll be back right here on the Big Old Show. Only place to go.